We'll see how you connect your AWS account to Bluefinware subscription. Go to bluefinware.io webpage. You'll land upon the home web page right now. Then on the extreme right corner, you'll find sign up button. Click on that. In the sign up page, you can enter your name. Here I'm entering user03. Then you can enter your work email. I'm entering user03 at bluefinware.io. You can enter your company's name for which you are getting this Bluefinware subscription. Then you can enter any password which is more than 6 characters length. And you can confirm the password and you can click on the sign up button. Upon a successful sign up, you will land up on the home page. Then click on See It Live link, which is there on the top. As I'm clicking here, then enter the credentials we just now registered. You can enter user03 at bluefinware.io. Then the password what we entered just now during the sign up. Then click on login button. So once you click on the login button, you will land up in the Cloud Resource Browser page, which shows up like this. Then click on the person icon and select settings. You can see AWS keys there. Link, click on that. Then click on add new. A pop-up will come up asking for the AWS credential details. We need to do a small setup in the AWS console. We'll go to the AWS console, then go to the IAM page in that. Once you go to the IAM page, you will see all the details that you're seeing right now. And on the left, you can see users. Click on the users and then click on add users button, like what I'm doing right now. You can enter a username. Here I'm entering Concerto -user -03. Then you can give programmatic access for this particular user and you can give console access as well. Select the auto generate password option, then uncheck the rechange password after login option. Then you land up on this page, click on attach existing policies and again click on create policy. After clicking create policy, you land up in this page. Click on the JSON tab in that. Remove all the contents. Then I have already posted what is the policy that is required in an accessible page. You can go to that. The URL I'll be adding in this particular video description. You can go to this URL. You will find the IAM JSON policy written as a JSON. Just select all the contents of this particular page, copy it, go back to the old screen, then paste it here. This contains all the required JSON policies. You can examine what is the content of this particular list of policies. Mostly it will be related to listing the resources and reading the resources. You can verify it once. Then you can go to the next page by clicking on next. Then again you can click on next review policy. Then you can land up in this particular page where it shows review policy. It will show up all the policies for which you will be granting the permissions. At this point, you need to name this policy. So we will name this as Concerto user03 read-only policy. Copy the same thing and add in the description section. Then click on create policy. Go back to the old page where we clicked on the create policy. Click on the refresh button. You will see that a new policy has been added. Let's look for the new policy that we created now, Concerto -user-3 read-only policy. Let's select that policy by selecting the checkbox. Then we'll click on the next button. Then we can click next again and click on create user. Now you will see this page where some credentials are being shown. You can see the access ID and you can see what is the secret access key. If you click on show, it will show what is the secret access key. There is a CSV file which you need to download. So click on the download CSV and download it to your local desktop. Let's open this in some text editor. Let's copy all the important details that we'll need. First, we'll copy the access ID, then the secret access key. Just for clarity, I'm just copying the access key ID separately. Then let's copy the actual access key as well. Now we can start copying the secret access key. The secret access key will be followed immediately after the access key ID. So the secret access key and access key ID we have got. Now there is one more detail we'll need. We'll need something like the account ID of the AWS, which we will also copy shortly. I have clicked on add new again. So enter name. You can give any name, a friendly name, which will help you identify what kind of account this is. In this case, I'm saying dev account, which stands for development account. Go to your AWS console, copy the account ID as I'm showing now. Then copy paste it in the account ID field. Then now we'll copy the access ID and paste it in the access ID field. Then we'll also copy the secret access key. Then there is a drop down which you need to click on. Let us select Mumbai, Asia Pacific Mumbai. There will be AP South -1. Then click on add edit. You will see the details that we have entered has been like added now. It's already showing up. Then click on the dashboard link or see it live link. Now I have clicked on the dashboard link. It takes a little bit of time, around 15 to 20 seconds to generate the data. So after 20 seconds or so, you can click on show toolbar, then click on show diagram and select hierarchy diagram in that. Now you are all set and you can see the diagram is already showing up. Thanks for watching the setup video.